Hey guys. Oh my god. It's so damn hot. It's so hot. Hello. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be going to get lash extensions for the first time. And I am super nervous because I just don't think I look right without... You know how some girls can like wear lash extensions without makeup? I just don't feel like I'm that girl. I feel like I'm the baldy type girl. But this is the last glimpse of me without lashes. So we about to see what's gonna happen. Like, we about to see how I look when I come out. I'm so scared. But I'm about to head there now, so I'll be back.
Never ever meant to be so sour, baby. Running out of steam every day, be the same. Living like this, testing all my patience. Need a bit of you every time I drink. Like a love, like a love. They all want something now. I don't got the time to go and fuck around. See my eyes got money bags, I don't rest. I might be a Nike fiend, I need my checks. Headed for the limelight, ain't just hype, it's not overnight. I take my advice, I'm gonna do this right. Feeling nice, what's the price? Yeah, do not live in twice. Yeah, my fam on my spine, yeah. Green be getting sliced like a lime. Never ever meant to be so sour, baby. Running out of steam every day, be the same. Living like this, testing all my patience. Need a bit of you every time I drink. Like a love, like a love.
I depend on the way you send chills down my spine. Wanna give you all my time, give you all my time. You burn my chest just like tequila. Wanna show you why you don't really need her, why you don't really need her. Never ever meant to be so sour, baby. Running out of steam every day, be the same. Living like this, testing all my patience. Need a bit of you every time I drink. Like a lime, like a lime.
Oh, you good?
Oh, I love it. I'm gonna put some lip gloss on.
God, you can't see from the top.
I still want to put some on.
We got no plans, we got nothing to do. You tell me you love me, I go start the coffee. Sunday morning, easy love with you. Okay.
Y'all, they are so cute. My eyes just a little red, but oh my god, they are gorgeous. I'm gonna come back when my eyes aren't so red, but they are beautiful. They are so pretty. My eyes are a little red, but I love them. Oh my god, I love them. I really thought that I wasn't gonna like them, but I love them. That's crazy.
Wednesday night, it's easy love with you.
I am home and I love them. They are so cute. Ooh, child. Ooh, I love them. If you are in the Prattville, Montgomery area, hit Sweetie up, honey. Bye-bye. Good morning. I just wanted to come back and let you guys see how my lashes look the next day. It's 7 o'clock in the morning, but I just wanted to come back and let y'all know that I love them. When I woke up this morning, my eyes were a little like, they felt a little irritated, and I think that's normal because this is my first time getting them. I think the next time I go back, I may get them a little less dramatic. Don't get me wrong, I love the way they look now because I know like over time they're gonna start falling out, and you know, that was the reason I got this set, because I just hear like when you get them like a little more volumized, that when they start falling out, you know, they kind of look more natural. So I feel like you have two sets, if that makes sense. Like, I don't know what I'm trying to say, but yeah, I love them and I highly recommend her. She's really sweet. And I see the hype. Like, I get why everybody gets them done and like rave about them. Like, I'm joining the gang, period. Like, I love them. Like, I love them so much. And that's all I wanted to say. That's what I heard you gotta do.
Sunday morning, waking up with you. We got no plans, we got nothing to do. You tell me you love me, I go start the coffee. Sunday morning, easy love with you. Okay, okay, okay. I'm your sunshine mixed with a little hurricane. White hot angel with a daredevil's brain. This feeling, I just can't fight it. You know all the ways I like it. My north, you're my south, you're my east, you're my west. When you see me at my worst, try to make me feel my best. This love, we just can't deny it. You know all the ways I like it.